Hindi Doordarshan shows have shaped the childhood of most 90s kids. With Ramayana and Mahabharata making an epic comeback, we are reminded of those good old days when the only option we had was Doordarshan and how we loved every bit of it. Doordarshan used to provide us with content that was way ahead of its time, both in terms of story as well as scale, much unlike the shows on television today. Hence, we are listing shows from Hindi Doordarshan which have left a profound impact on its viewers. For this list, we have left out Ramayana and Mahabharata. Both of them have a high emotional connect with the Indian masses, and it would be unfair to compare and rank these with other shows. Stay tuned to find out what's in our list. This is Filmko Path, and you're watching Top 5 TV series aired on Hindi Doordarshan.
जबान संभाल के जबान संभाल के जबान संभाल के जबान संभाल के जो चाहे कहो पर जरा देखभाल के जबान संभाल के जबान संभाल के.
Our list begins with Zaban Sambhal Ke, which was released in the year 1993. But the tasteful comedy and witty humor of the serial makes it relevant and worth your time even today. Zaban Sambhal Ke was an adaptation of famous British comedy series Mind Your Language, which was also adapted as Oh My English in Malaysia and What a Country in USA. Zaban Sambhal Ke revolved around a comedy drama of a Hindi teacher and his multilingual students, with misunderstandings stemming from valid observations of differing cultures trying to learn the same language. The brilliant ensemble cast, led by thespian Pankaj Kapoor, with smart witty direction from Rajiv Mehra, worked wonders and entertained us week after week. Next on our list is a lesser-known serial named Ajnabi that had a pool of talented actors, including Danny Denzongpa, Tinu Anand, Anu Kapoor, 90s short-lived heartthrob Jeet Upendra, and his then-wife Deepshikha Nagpal, amongst known industry veterans. The story is about a retired army officer who moved to Jammu and Kashmir and takes refuge as a stranger in the valley. While revolving around human loss and love, the series also shed light on terrorism and insurgency. Danny co-wrote the show himself, and it was directed by Mohinder Batra. The Ajnabi theme song has a cult following and is available on YouTube. Who can forget Jaspal Bhatti's satirical takes on the Indian society? The series took up everyday instances to portray the moral degradation of our society in the most simplistic yet thought-provoking manner. The genius of Bhatti and his team is even incomparable today. Each week brought a new problem in Bhatti's life which the Indian middle class could easily relate to. A show way ahead of its time by all means. Probably the most popular one on our list, Byomkesh Bakshi, the investigative show with actor Rajit Kapoor in lead and KK Raina as sidekick Ajit, was a knockout hit in the 90s. Rajit Kapoor was such a fitting cast in the series that his rendition even surpassed Satyajit Ray's version of Byomkesh Bakshi, and in spite of plethora of attempts ever since, remains the best version. Adapted from Bengali writer Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay's stories, Basu Chatterjee's Byomkesh Bakshi still stands out as one detective show that showed all the clues to its audience and let them participate in crime solving. Rajit Kapoor's Byomkesh can be easily considered as one of the greatest portrayals of an Indian detective to have ever hit Indian television. Now for the special mention in our list. Do you all remember this tune? Yes, children's puppet television show Potli Baba Ki is our special mention. This show is unique on its own and thus occupies a special position in our list. Storyteller Chhenu Ki Jhunnu Ka Baba from Ghunghar village shares his bundle of stories which his mother has hidden under rocks. Hardly has there been a children's show in India more innovative and effective.
घूंगर वाले छेनू वाले झुन्नू का बाबा, किस्सों का कहानियों का गीतों का चावा। घूंगर वाले छेनू वाले झुन्नू का बाबा, किस्सों का कहानियों का गीतों का चावा। हे आया आया छेनू वाली झुन्नू का बाबा, आया आया छेनू वाली झुन्नू का बाबा।
Well, who can forget the innocence of Malgudi days? A timeless classic. The straightforward stories of quaint little fictitious Malgudi residents to narrate a simple tale about their day-to-day life was like a mirror to all the common people of India. Adapted from R.K. Narayan's short stories, Kannada veteran Shankar Nag's execution and Master Manjunath's smiling face made this series a must-watch for entire country. Carnatic musician L. Vaidyanathan composed the famous score, while R.K. Narayan's younger brother and acclaimed cartoonist R.K. Lakshman was the sketch artist. The same R.K. Lakshman who created the Common Man daily cartoon strip. You can very well realize that the Indian audience is still yearning to witness such tales of simple premise and everyday occurrences by the instant popularity that Deepak Mishra directed Panchayat has fetched. It is more than 30 years now, but Malgudi is still there with us who are blessed to witness its charm. That's all for today. The link for watching all these shows is in the description. Hope you enjoyed this new list as well. Please share your comments below on what you think of the list and which other shows you feel should have been part of it. We need your support to keep going. Please hit the bell icon for getting notified about new videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. And before we go, another catchy Doordarshan tune for you all.
वहाँ व्याध ने एक जाल बिछाया था। व्याध कौन दीदी? व्याध चिड़िया पकड़ने वाला। फिर क्या हुआ दीदी? व्याध ने उन्हें पकड़ लिया, मार डाला। हिम्मत से अगर जुटे रहे तो छोटे हो पर मिले रहे तो बड़ा काम भी होवे भैया, बड़ा काम भी होवे भैया। 1 2 3। चतुर चिड़िया सयानी चिड़िया उतर जाल लेकर भागी चिड़िया